Everybody, welcome to Wilson County Chevrolet Buick GMC of Lebanon, Tennessee. Brian Grizz here, just in. 3 GMC Yukon Denali, 4x4, 6.2 liter, 8-speed automatic. Got the Summit White, I've got Onyx Black, and I've got White Diamond. Also, not shown is an Iridium with jet black interior, doing any day. Loaded up, open road packages, Denali premiums, 22-inch pin aluminum wheels, absolutely gorgeous. These things are loaded up. They're identically equipped besides the White Diamond, which has got the White Diamond upgrade. They got the theft deterrent package, roof racks. Come on around, we'll take a look. Pictures, window stickers online, wilsoncountymotors.com. The massive 6.2 liter, this will get you up, going, towing. Fuel economy is great. 2-year, 24,000 mile GM maintenance plan, good across the United States. 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain. These are GMC precision made 2015 GMC Yukons. They got the power deployable running boards, power fold-in mirrors. They've got the heads-up display, absolutely gorgeous interiors, lots of power points, USBs, Bose premium audio. They got the trailer brake controls built in. They got the flip-up screen. You got a little hideaway that you can store a few items there that not a lot of people know about. Again, it's heads up, absolutely gorgeous, heated steering wheels, auto 4-wheel drives, all 4-wheel drives. Again, gorgeously appointed rear entertainment systems in all of them, rear bucket seats, all kinds of bells and whistles. WilsonCountyMotors.com. We welcome business from all 50 U.S. states. We welcome trades. We have financing available with approved credit. We do leasing on these. Power lift gates. Storage areas down below on this particular one here. Power fold-up seats. Either way you want to go, everything's power. Trailer towing package that are covered up, rear vision cameras. You can find us right off Interstate I-40 at exit 236, 903 South Hartman Drive. Wilson County Chevrolet Buick GMC, a bone family tradition, 88 years strong. Nashville BNA Airport, pickup available. If you got questions, got a trade, email Simon at wilsoncountryauto.com. Our toll-free number, one more time. Pick up the phone and call if you want to buy one. 855-507-8520. Thanks for viewing.